Here we are.
Here we are.
Yeah.
Like the wages in the post.
Okay, Zara, thank you. I've all been preliminarily booked for them dates. We're just going to the airport. Look at the list.
Never know when it's recording. Guess where we're going?
Dublin!
IKEA! James really wants to try the Swedish meatballs.
Yeah, that's the only thing Swedish I like to try. Anyway. So we got ourselves a Costa. We're going up to IKEA to
window shoppers.
Yeah, we're gonna get some content filmed. We're actually gonna film like a room. John's gonna give us a tour of IKEA.
I'm doing up my room again, guys.
Yeah,
You're heard it here first. I didn't spend enough money, so.
Yeah, we have to do it again.
Oh God,
Bigger than last time. Bigger and better.
It's not heavy, man.
Is it? Remember my old car had like a little thing.
Yeah.
That was handy. I look way whiter than you, Tara, doesn't it? Funny.
Because I'm just so I'm just naturally.
You're naturally tan.
I'm naturally sallow skin.
This is a very impromptu trip. We went for a walk yesterday and just decided, you know what?
James said, I really want to go to IKEA. I said, so do I. He said, do you want to go tomorrow? I said, fine. So,
yeah.
Here we
are.
Here we are. I can't wait. I haven't been to IKEA in so long.
Same. Last time I was in IKEA was at Ruth's Walsh at my same interior design. And that was a fantastic trip. But this time, it's just us.
I gotta live up to the expectations.
Yeah, you have a big shoes to fill, Tara. Big. I'm dying to see their kitchens. I'm dying to see their couches. I'm dying to see their furniture because the showroom is so big. And there's only one of them in Ireland.
Is there not another one?
Is there not? Is there another one? It's just one in Dublin. Also, there's a few shopping centres around that area as well that we're going to hit up.
Window shopping because
and not spend anything in them.
Spend any money because we're on a budget.
Yes. Balling on a budget.
We're just going for the day out, really.
Yeah.
Letting us out for the day.
I know, yeah. Leaving the sandy coast of Achill. It's actually getting lovely out now up here.
Yeah, as soon as you leave Achill, the weather always turns good.
Yeah, I know, it's sickening.
Yeah.
But that's the crack now, guys.
That's life.
Yeah. Just here vibing, having a good time.
Yeah.
What's that focusing on?
Probably me.
Yeah.
Do you blame it?
Do
you blame it?
I don't.
Right, bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you in IKEA.
Perfect lab. This is Tara's little dungeon. So we're out of IKEA and we're starving.
Absolutely.
So hungry, but I think I'll discuss it when I on the way back. We want to get
too hungry to talk.
I know, I'm too hungry. I'll talk to you in a bit. We've half devoured because I forgot to turn it on, but
we're hungry.
It's delicious. Turkey from England. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much, Tara, for coming with me today.
Oh my God, thank you for having me. I expect the wages in the post.
Yeah.
I do have Revolut, so don't worry. Yeah. Can't send a check.
Yeah. I'll take a Revolut transfer. It's all good. I'll take it. You look fabulous.
It's my makeup from this morning.
And a candle.
My one purchase of the day.
Yeah.
I carried James shopping around, but I did manage. He did let me go for bathroom break. He let me go for a wee. And I quickly bought this candle before he saw me.
Oh my goodness. Right, okay. Bye. Bye, Tara. Bye. Hello and good morning. So I'm off to town today to do a few things, but I got a package from Zara. Oh, so I got a new pair of trousers. I wanted to see what the... Oh, okay, the length is nice. Oh! Fantastic. Oh my goodness. Okay, Zara, thank you. Oh, that's great. Why is it that the women's trousers are longer than the men's? I'd like to know, because the men's trousers are never long enough. for me, but the women's, I mean, hello. This is size medium. I have a green pair coming that are in size small, so that might be a different story. They might be too small, but we'll see, because they're sold out of my size in them. But I was planning on returning these because I was like, well, they're never going to fit, and it was this chance of my arm. But these are going to be so nice when I go to Prague in a week. A week. Yeah, I'm very excited about these. This is fantastic. This has made my day now. So yeah, I'm obsessed. Thank you, Zara. So I've just picked up the spotlights for the utility room, and it's a great deal. I'm getting these ones here, and one of these because there's 4 of them. I am just out of Woody's. I got myself a, a Costa, and I've made my game plan for tomorrow, what I need to get for this really exciting DIY project. So I'm going to grab all that stuff tomorrow. I've run through the concept first with the girl who's I'm doing it for, to make sure she's happy and everything, but I think she will be. So let me check my notes actually, because I have a lot I need to do today. I have to go to Inspire Tiles and get brass strip. I got my lights for the utility room. I need to go to Chadwick's and look at MDF boards. So let's go! Hello and good evening or good morning. I'm coming at you from the present. I just wanted to put a little disclaimer here before I play the next clip. Just a brief synopsis of what it is. I'm going to be building this up way too much now than it needs to be, but basically I wanted to try to share more of the behind the scenes kind of working life from JMC. This is just one of my calls that I had this particular day, and I just wanted to kind of share it with you because I enjoyed this call and it was a fun call and a lot of good came from it, and we got a good project plan in place from it. And I just wanted to show you that, you know, it's not all just sitting at a laptop or going around shopping. You know, there is actually schedules and things that you have to kind of put in place for these projects to run successfully. So anyway, I'm talking too much, but here it is, like about like a minute, like a few seconds long of a clip. Okay, anyway. Okay. Oh, how are you? Electrician, carpenter, painter. All been preliminarily booked for the date for all that on Monday. Mark for Prague, and he said everything will be lined up, get the parking, get it done. 1 second. Okay, I have 6 hours before we have to leave for the airport, but I'm driving from Ackle, which is a 4-hour journey, and that means I want to get some sleep before I go. So I want to be in bed in the next hour, but I have to pack all my stuff, organize my outfits. I've done all my emails and like that, so I should be fine. But I need to do the most important thing, which is figure out what I'm going to be wearing when I get to Prague. And I look disgusting right now. So let's pack with me. Also, I just restyled this area over here, so if you want to go over into my YouTube and check out the video on that, I don't know that, do go check because it's really cute. Anyway. Okay, this is what I'm thinking for the airport look. Actually, you're not going to see this. So I'm thinking like this, my brown trench coat, see how tired I am, white turtleneck, these black trousers. Like, I don't think you can comprehend how comfortable these trousers are. Like, oh my god. I tell you, these are probably the comfiest trousers I've ever worn in my life. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna stick this bag up so I can show you a bit clearer. This is my work bag, by the way. No, my laptop and everything in it because the grind doesn't stop. Look how flowy these are. Oh my goodness. And they're just so like comfy. Oh, and just to sit down with them and all, like, it's just like, you know, comfortable. I think that's what you want to be in an airport, it's comfortable. But then again, I want to wear these in Prague, so can I wear them twice? Yeah, I can. I think I might just bring this as like my jacket from when I'm over there, and I might change it for a blazer every now and again. Like, that's where I get confused, because like, what will I feel like when I'm over there? Okay, just one thing about for one of my outfits. Oh, these for St. Stephen's night, and they're actually very comfy. They're like a green colour. I'm wearing it with like a white t-shirt, and then my blazer, because it has like red. There's like green kind of patches in it, red and blue. So it kind of picks up on the trousers, which is nice. And then pearls, but also want to wear like some crystals as well with it, just to kind of really set it alive. That'll be this outfit, and like lots of accessories, just kind of go up the arm and just make it a bit more exciting. But I have, oh yeah, you see, I have this one. I have 3 night outfits ready. I can probably pull together a 4th one with stuff I already have packed, and now I just need to pick my 4-day outfits. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so we're here now for just going to the airport and we're going to get on the flight. We parked over at the Radisson. We're just going to board and we have our bags. We got our PCR test and it's all good.
Videoing me now.
I won't be videoing you. I'm just videoing my breakfast. Just want to take off the landing. Are you happy, lads? That's the dramatic effect of looking at the left. My bedroom. Lovely views of the buildings next to us and also the buildings that are beautiful, so what a lovely view. Oh my goodness, it's very tall. Okay, and we have these beautiful herringbone floors. It's so, like the finishes in here are so nice. Don't be telling me to hurry up. And in here is the first bathroom. A lovely shower. Can we use that in a few minutes? Then like a thing.
What's that thing beside the toilet?
I don't know, I think it's like a bidet thing.
For what? What you do with it?
I don't fucking know. But in here is the main area. That's my architectural interest. I love this skyline. You know what I mean?
The climbing feature.
That's not kind of great. And then over here is the TV, and then upstairs, because it's an upstairs. And then we have the boys area. So this is Dean's room here. With the keys. He doesn't have much light in here, but it's nice. And this is Shane's room here. Shane has like the mezzanine level, so you can see whatever's going on down here. Which is nice. Look over. You can see all the way down, it's nice. So lovely plants. And then there's another bathroom over here with a lovely wood worktop. Come in. Oh yeah, because you're in the mirror. What are you doing? What are you laughing
I'm not
at?
getting in frame, come on!
Oh, okay, sorry, I thought you were doing something. A nice bath, so you can look at the stars as you're bathing, which is nice. And they come with like complimentary washing products, which is nice. And then we come back downstairs.
We've done that already, you've already seen downstairs.
What?
Come on!
Are you even recording?
I am!
Let me see. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. That's it. So come on, time to leave. Come on. You need to go, but I'll check back in a bit. So.
Right off, I'm not. No! You're there, I'm gone, bye.
Ba-da-da-da-da. And the motherfucking D-O-double-G. Snoop Dogg. Da-da-da-da. The motherfucking D-O-double-G. Snoop Dogg. It's too much.
It's too much that we said.
We're just outside May's apartments. We're going to meet the lads for lunch and go to the zoo.
Wolf Wall Street.
Yeah, it's pink.
Yeah.
Looks amazing in a little Marc Jacobs tote.
Nice. Who got this for me?
I don't know who. It's such a immaculate taste. Where are we going, babe?
Didn't say no cameras.
No, it doesn't say no camera. Your Royal Highness. Were they all smaller back in them days? Some they're fucking tiny, aren't they?
So I'd be like the NBA, so that is compared to that.
Jeez.
I mean, it's not bad.
What you get?
For 12.
Oh my god, you got more than D.
Into now, in case he beats you.
I'll think about it.
Just meant you playing.
Where are we going now, Maeve? Into the dungeon. Oh god, I almost missed my step. Shit, yes. What are you saying, Shane? Did you like it, Shane?
Oh, it's great crack. Great crack.
Highlighted the trip.
Fuck off.
Anyway. Take this. Shane's. Oh my goodness. No.
Tax him good enough. Shane, stop. Shane, stop. Shane, leave it alone. Leave it alone.